Special greetings my dear students. In previous class we seen primary key. In this class I am going to explain few things about data types, moving, deleting, sorting. Students, already I explained about data types in previous class. In this class I am going to explain about only few data types. Students, in data types there are several types. In MS Access, we are learning MS Access 2010. We are learning MS Access 2010. If you are coming to the data type, there are number, text, auto number, memo, OLE. Okay, after date and time, yes, no, means so many is there, so many data types are there, but I think so this is sufficient for you to use. Okay, and sir, why we are using this data type? Okay, why we are using this data type? Already we seen this all, but students, just you think practically, where we are using, how we are using. This database is a back end. Again I am saying to you, database is a back end. Means we will not have any communication between this database. User will not communicate with this database. Now only the administrator, the developer, they will communicate. Now just you imagine, now we are going to create one Facebook ID. Okay, don't create. Okay, according to your age you should not use but for example I am saying social medias, Facebook. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, or you are going to create one account. Okay, don't create. According to your age you should not use. For your understanding purpose, I am taking as an example. Or any registration, and you are applying for any school, or you are applying for any government facility, you are booking a flight ticket, or you are booking train ticket, or anything. Okay, you are applying through the online. Now just to imagine, in a website you are seeing a browser. In browser you are applying, correct? So name, first name, father name, after age, address, national, after so many information will be there. After save, cancel. Student, this is for your understanding purpose. Okay, this is not in your book, but if you understand this only, why you are learning MS Access, you will find out the reason how it is using in our real time. Okay, why we are using this MS Access, how it is helpful in real time, you will understand. Okay, now see, name, father name, age, address, nationality. Okay, I didn't write any such a beautiful way. So name, one box, father name, another box. At last say cancel. Now we are in India. Okay, I am applying, I am opening, means I am applying from India. Example, this is of okay, FB, Facebook. Okay, this is a Facebook. I am from India. I am applying. Okay, browser, mobile browser or any browser, I am applying here. But this database, where it is in America. In USA, they are having a DB, main storage place. So whatever information I am typed here, what will have when I am clicking save, automatically there is a URL. In a browser URL you can able to see address. By this way it will travel and it will go and it will store in a USA Facebook database. Just you think, we are in India, when I am clicking save, through the online only, it will go and it will save in where? In USA database. Okay, in USA, Facebook company, in database they are having big warehouse store. In that place it will store. Not only Facebook, whatever application, whatever online test you give, and this process is like that only. You will give the test, automatically whatever answer you give, and it will go through the internet and it will store in our school database. After it will show the mark, automatically computer will generate. So this is a front end where user is communicating, and this is a back end. In back end database is there. This database can be any. If you are going to the database, mostly RDBMS only. In RDBMS, many type of databases there. Okay, so in that type, in RDBMS, MS Access also. In this place you can use MS Access also. It is of course accurately correct. Okay, you can use MS Access also. Now see here, in this place, in design view, you know well, we have to declare text data type. If I declare text data type, I should not enter number here. If I enter number, text both are same. No. So computer will match and it will show the error, and computer will not accept. It will show the warning. Okay, and computer will not take also. And father name, text. Age is what? Number. Address, memo. Why we are using memo? Memo is for descriptive, means we can able to type more lengthy, and in memo there is no any restriction. Number, symbol, letter, text, anything you can. There is no any restriction in memo. That's why you are using in address memo. Nationality, text. Okay, gender. Means so many options are there, and or disabled, yes, no option. Date of birth. So in this data type, what we will use? Data time. Students, you should know which field name, which data type we should use. If you know this, you are a programmer. Means you are a database programmer. You can able to develop a database. Means you can able to create a database. You can able to manage a database. You are an administrator. Again I am saying, which field? Front end we are not going to use. In this class you are not going to learn front end. You are going to learn only the back end. You avoid this. When you are going to the 11th, 12th, you will learn about this front end. Now only for your understanding how we are using in real time, I used this. Okay, in real time, everywhere through mobile, whatever link you are clicking, pressing, everything, including YouTube, everything is working depend on this only. So this is for your knowledge, but this is for your education. Okay, in this only you are going to learn. So which data type in which place you should use? If you know that, you can able to create a database without any problem. I think so, students. Today in this class I taken more time. So next class with the same place we will continue. Okay, and thanks for watching.